My name is Kathrin Stumreich from Vienna, and I'm presenting my work Mid-Air Collisions at the Bienal'25 Fotografia here in Porto. My work, Mid-Air Collisions, is about my 2 years observations in the Mojave desert. In the Mojave desert, there is a central solar plant, and this creates immense heat around 1000 degrees. This heat and the ultraviolet spectrum attract insects and birds, and they perish and burn in the heat. For me, the sideshow of the solar plant, because the main show is of course creating energy. That's what we are aware of, and that's what the whole world is aware of. Solar energy creates energy via, in this case, steam. But the sideshow here is really the collision of the natural habitat with the infrastructure of the solar architecture. And this brings you directly to the topic of the Biennale here. So we have to be aware what we do as humans when we go into the natural habitat and bring our structures there. So this is what I'm trying to show with this work. The sideshow and the artifacts which are not obvious.